So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head it with search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on your computer name and then click on action and then scan for hardware changes. Now you're gonna try to locate your network adapter. It might be in this section right here. See if you can find it. For the second method, you're gonna head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space network diagnostics network adapter. Click on enter. And now this will come up. You're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. If it finds any problems, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the next method, you're going to head it with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find WLAN autoconfig. We're going to scroll down till we find WLAN autoconfig. Here it is. You're going to double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the WLAN autoconfig service. See if that works. For the next method, you're going to head it with search and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. And then this should now fix your problem.